Hi, I have a Simpson La Scala wall oven that is stuck on auto. How do I get it back to manual, please? Thanks, Bob.
Hi there and thank you for your question. Sorry for the delayed response. I will be assisting you with your inquiry today. At any time, you may request further info and ask questions if you feel the need, even after accepting. Now, let's get started regarding your question. This inquiry is a few hours old. Do you still require help with this, please? Just let me know, okay? Also, any chance of a model number of your appliance? AUSSIE Repair Tech. 41014.3915343403.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/YTHI.